first AI agent, Accio, launched by Alibaba, has positioned itself as a pioneering conversational AI search engine tailored for B2B transactions. By integrating data from over 30 million suppliers, Accio enhances the sourcing process for global merchants, achieving a 40% increase in purchasing intent compared to traditional methods. This innovative tool simplifies complex trade operations, supporting 5 languages and facilitating real-time interactions. Accio's launch marks a significant milestone, showcasing Alibaba's commitment to leveraging AI to streamline international commerce and outperform competitors like OpenAI, Google, and Microsoft in the AI agent space. OpenAI, Google, and Microsoft are actively developing AI agents, aiming to enhance automation and efficiency across various tasks. OpenAI is working on an AI agent called Operator, which is set to launch as a research preview in January 2025. This agent will automate tasks such as coding and travel booking, showcasing significant advancements in autonomous capabilities. Google is also in the race with its Project Jarvis, designed to operate within the Chrome browser and automate web-related tasks. It is expected to be released soon. Meanwhile, Microsoft is enhancing its Copilot framework to include autonomous agents capable of managing complex tasks across its Office 365 applications. Collectively, these companies are pushing the boundaries of AI technology, indicating a shift towards more proactive and capable AI systems. Amidst the buzz surrounding AI agents from major players like OpenAI, Google, and Microsoft, Alibaba Group has made a groundbreaking move by launching Accio, the world's first AI agent specifically designed for B2B transactions. Accio stands out for its remarkable capabilities and efficiency in facilitating global trade, offering users an unprecedented level of support in their sourcing needs. Accio is poised to revolutionize the e-commerce landscape, particularly for small and medium-sized enterprises engaged in cross-border trade. This innovative tool is designed to simplify and automate the complex processes involved in sourcing products globally, making it a game-changer in the industry. With its advanced capabilities, Accio facilitates users by streamlining operations that traditionally required significant time and resources. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel AI Finds, where we discover the latest trends in artificial intelligence. Today we will talk about groundbreaking Accio. Let's dive in. Accio is an AI-powered assistant introduced by Alibaba Group Holdings, specifically tailored for merchants on Alibaba.com. Named after the summoning charm from the Harry Potter series, Accio embodies the essence of ease and efficiency in global trade. It leverages decades of accumulated knowledge in B2B fulfillment, logistics, after-sales support, and product listings to address the myriad challenges faced by merchants in international commerce. The assistant operates through a conversational interface, allowing users to input their sourcing needs in natural language. This user-friendly design makes it accessible for a diverse range of merchants who may not have extensive technical expertise. Accio's primary goal is to automate and streamline the 28 steps typically involved in global trading, from supplier discovery to customs clearance and price negotiation, thereby enhancing efficiency and reducing transaction times. Accio operates on a multi-agent architecture that allows it to perform various tasks simultaneously. When a user interacts with the assistant, it engages in real-time dialogue to understand their specific requirements. The AI then scans through Alibaba's extensive databases to provide relevant product options, along with contextual information about different territories where purchases are made. To cater to a global audience, Accio supports multiple languages, including English, German, French, Portuguese, and Spanish. This feature ensures that merchants from various linguistic backgrounds can effectively utilize the tool without language barriers hindering their operations. In addition to sourcing products, Accio offers users insights akin to wiki-style pages about market trends and consumer interests in different regions. This feature equips merchants with valuable knowledge that can inform their purchasing decisions and help them navigate potential challenges associated with international trade. One of the most significant advantages of Accio is its ability to automate complex and time-consuming tasks that have historically burdened SMEs. By utilizing AI algorithms, Accio can quickly sift through vast databases of suppliers and products, providing users with relevant options based on their specific needs. This automation not only saves time, but also minimizes the risk of errors that can occur during manual processes. Initial tests of Accio have shown remarkable results, with businesses reporting a 40% increase in purchase intent when using the tool compared to traditional search methods. This improvement is attributed to Accio's ability to provide tailored recommendations and insights based on real-time data from various markets. As a result, SMEs can make more informed decisions that align with current trends and consumer preferences. Accio aims to democratize access to global markets for SMEs that often lack the resources available to larger corporations. By providing a sophisticated sourcing agent at their fingertips, smaller businesses can compete more effectively on an international scale. Alibaba's president, Kuo Zhang, emphasized this vision by stating that the internet has the power to democratize opportunities, enabling every SME to source like a pro. Let's explore it further. How it can be a wonderful agent for you if starting a new business or startup. Accio, Alibaba's innovative AI assistant, offers significant advantages for entrepreneurs and new business startups. By streamlining the sourcing process, Accio automates traditionally complex tasks involved in international trade, such as supplier discovery and price negotiation. This efficiency is crucial for startups that often operate with limited resources and time. With its ability to process natural language queries, entrepreneurs can easily find products by simply typing or uploading images, making the search process intuitive and user-friendly. Accio also provides real-time insights into market trends, product popularity, and potential profitability, allowing startups to make informed decisions quickly. Moreover, Accio supports multiple languages, broadening its accessibility for diverse users. By tapping into Alibaba's extensive database of over 1 billion product listings from 50 million businesses worldwide, startups can connect with global suppliers more effectively. Overall, Accio empowers new businesses to compete in the global market by simplifying sourcing and enhancing operational efficiency. The conversational interface of Accio is designed with user experience in mind. Merchants can easily communicate their needs without navigating complicated menus or interfaces. This simplicity encourages more users to engage with the tool, ultimately leading to increased efficiency across their operations, continuous learning, and improvement. As an AI-driven tool, Accio continuously learns from user interactions and market data. This ongoing learning process enables it to refine its recommendations over time, ensuring that users receive increasingly relevant information tailored to their specific business contexts. Accio is integrated within Alibaba's broader ecosystem of e-commerce solutions. This integration allows users not only to source products, but also to manage logistics and after-sales support seamlessly within one platform. Such cohesion enhances the overall user experience by reducing friction points typically encountered when using multiple systems for different aspects of trade. Accio represents a significant advancement in how SMEs engage with global trade through e-commerce platforms. By automating complex processes and providing real-time insights, this AI assistant empowers merchants to make informed decisions quickly and efficiently. Its user-centric design and integration within Alibaba's ecosystem further enhance its value as a premier AI agent for international commerce. As businesses increasingly seek ways to optimize their operations amidst growing competition, tools like Accio will play a crucial role in shaping the future of e-commerce. By democratizing access to global markets and simplifying sourcing processes, Accio not only transforms how SMEs conduct business, but also paves the way for a more inclusive and efficient global trading environment.